The stop slow signs should be mounted on a rigid handle at least 5 feet long. The best thing to use is a 6-foot piece of PVC pipe. If you must signal with a flag, it has to be a minimum of 24 by 24 inches square, made of a good grade of flexible red material and securely fastened to a staff about 3 feet long. To keep it from blowing too much in the wind, it should either have a baton or the free edge should be weighted. Only use the flag in emergency situations and in locations where a single flagger can best control traffic. Flags can also be used to draw attention to the stop slow sign paddle. Since flaggers are responsible for safety and are the most visible of all construction personnel, it's important that qualified people be selected. A flagger should have the following qualifications. They should have average intelligence. They should be in good physical condition, including sight and hearing. They should be mentally alert. They should be courteous but firm. They should have a neat appearance. They should have a sense of responsibility for the safety of the public and the work crew, and they should be at least 18 years old. As a flag person, you should be especially mindful of your clothes. Studies show that people respect and respond better to someone who is dressed neatly. Flaggers are required to wear a shirt with sleeves, long pants, and steel-toe safety shoes. A hard hat, an approved jacket or vest are also required. Motorists quickly recognize orange, yellow, strong yellow-green, or fluorescent versions of these colors as meaning caution. If you'll be working at night, you'll be required to wear reflectorized clothes like these. If you need to stop traffic with the stop slow paddle, stand in a safe place on the shoulder or in a barricaded lane and face the traffic. Never stand with your back to the traffic or in the path of oncoming traffic. Stand where the drivers can see you for 500 feet whenever you can, and stand far enough ahead of the work site so the drivers can slow down before they get to the project. 200 to 300 feet is the best distance, but if you're working in town or in an area where physical conditions lower the speed limit, you'll need to stand closer to the project. If you have any questions about where to stand, check with your supervisor. Always stand alone. When other workers stand near you, they're a distraction to you and to the drivers. Don't let vehicles park closer than 100 feet to the flagger station. They can block the driver's view. Hold the paddle straight up and still with your arm extended. With your free arm, motion the traffic to stop by holding your palm up toward the approaching traffic. Bring the first vehicle to a complete stop. Then move to a point alongside and ahead of the first vehicle near the center line. Face the traffic and make sure the stop side of the paddle is also facing them. If you have time, tell the driver of the lead vehicle why there's a delay and about how long it'll take. Be courteous but firm and avoid unnecessary conversation. Also, be careful not to touch or lean on anyone's vehicle. To release stopped traffic, move to the shoulder of the road and stand parallel to the traffic. Turn the paddle around and motion traffic forward. Don't ever use the paddle to motion drivers to proceed. To alert and slow traffic, stand in a safe place on the shoulder or in a barricaded lane and face traffic. Extend your arm and hold the paddle so the slow side is visible to oncoming traffic. If people are still going too fast, you can slowly raise and lower your free hand with your palm down. If there's a problem while you're flagging, for instance, if an advance warning sign blows over, or if cones or barrels are in a bad place, you need to alert your supervisor. Remember, though, you cannot leave your station. Get the attention of someone in the work crew as soon as you can, and let them alert your supervisor and take care of the problem for you. Let's review the major points of this program. The three primary goals of a flagger are to reduce confusion, to help make traffic flow safely, and to improve public relations. To be a good flagger, you should be of average intelligence, in good physical condition, including sight and hearing. You should be mentally alert, have a courteous but firm manner, be neat in appearance, have a sense of responsibility for the safety of the public and the work crew, and be at least 18 years old. As a flagger, you should dress properly and wear a hard hat. You should always wear an approved vest or jacket reflectorized for night. You should use a standard stop-slow paddle and stand in a safe place on the shoulder or in a barricaded lane. Be sure to face oncoming traffic and be visible to motorists. Hold your sign still and in a vertical position. Never lean on anyone's vehicle and never stand in the path of oncoming traffic. Always stand alone. Don't get into unnecessary conversations. Don't allow vehicles to park within 100 feet of the flagger station, and make sure advanced warning signs are in place. Don't leave your station to take care of other safety problems. Get someone's attention and let them take care of it. As a flag person on a construction or maintenance work site, you are in a very important position. Your life and the lives of others depend on you. Remember, safety is in your hands.